Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this AMC Box Fan. There's the label, of course, AMC. I like that it has the 3 metal blades on it. It's a very nice box fan. It pushes a lot of air. Here, of course, we have the controls: off, low, and high. And they all work perfectly. Of course, a bit dusty, but of course works. So let's start off with high. So there's high. And this is low. It pushes a lot of air. I really like this box fan. And then, of course, off. So there you go, a AMC box fan. It's very nice. So that's it.